Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kavya and I prepare pure vegetarian recipes that are very yummy and on the go. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link them in the description box below. Today we're making a very comforting vegan keto breakfast recipe that is lemon coconut vermicelli. I'll also tell you some keto options if you're on keto. Now let's get into the process. In a heated pan, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil because we're making a coconut vermicelli. Adding in coconut oil gives it a very nice flavor. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them pop. Now add in half a tablespoon of urad dal. Lots and lots of cut cashews. They add a very rich depth to the dish. Saute it a bit before adding green chilies. I've added just 1 green chili, but if you like more spice, then you can add more. Now saute it very nice and fine till all the cashews and the seeds are roasted. Add in about 1 tablespoon each of turmeric and salt. Now I've taken a small packet of vermicelli. I've cooked in some oil and some salt, and now I'm draining it off under cold water. This ensures that the vermicelli doesn't stick to each other and it's very nice. I'm adding that to the roasted cashews and seeds. Make sure that you add it very gently because there is a very high chance that the vermicelli might break. Now mix it well. Add in lots and lots of coconut powder. You can add in grated coconut, coconut chunks, or grated coconut powder, anything of your choice. Finally, sprinkle in some lemon juice and garnish it with some more grated coconut. It's very healthy, yummy and very filling. Wow, this is such a beautiful, happy golden yellow food. Just look at the cashews and the color of it. I love it. This has become my most favorite breakfast recipe recently. Now if you're on keto, then substitute the vermicelli with some cauliflower rice and the cashews with some peanuts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do like, comment, share, and also please hit the bell icon. Thank you.